Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome to V Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to create a YouTube channel from the comfort of your home with your just smartphone. You don't need a computer, you don't need any other gadget. So I will be walking you through step by step on how to create a profitable YouTube channel. So please, I advise you use Chrome, navigate to your Chrome. But before doing that, I need you to navigate yourself to the top right hand side of your phone. Click and change your phone to a desktop view so you can see whatever you're doing completely. So search to your Google and quickly type in this m dot means mobile.youtube.com. Quickly search. So before doing this, you must make sure you have a working Google account. If you do not know how to create, I will share a link down that will show you how to create a YouTube channel, a Google account. So you come to this very place and you click this YouTube and say next. So having done this, it will automatically sign you in to the YouTube channel. It will automatically sign you in. You can now see the YouTube. So you navigate yourself to this very place. This is where my Google account is. You can see it. It's signed there. You now click there. Coming to the right down, you see it says what? Create a channel. I'll click there because I want to create a channel. So it will now give me this space asking, do I want to continue using my Google account name or I want to change it? Okay, so to me, I would like to change it. So I have removed that name and I will like to put let me say is a gym, yeah, because I want to create a workout account. Is that gym? So it is supposed to show me what is it called, create account, but I'm not seeing it here yet. So I will turn my phone and see if it can display completely. So I have done that and you can see it here. Now say okay, create account. It's now rolling, trying to create account for me. It's trying to create account for me. Okay, of which that is done. It now shows, you see, very simple and easy. My account is being created and what is showing me is a gym. No subscribers for now. This is my home. In this place, any video you post will show. This is the playlist. This is a channel if you featuring any other channel. And this is where you write about yourself, about your channel, right? So I will go quickly to see how we can customize this very channel. Now go to customize channel. So in this customized channel, it will bring you to something of this nature. Try out the YouTube Studio app. On this place you must install the YouTube Studio app. But let's see another skills that we can use to leave this very place. Click here and turn your phone to a desktop view so that you can access this place. Sorry, my network is a bit active. So and a message display here is telling me welcome to a YouTube studio. Now say continue. You see? Okay, take this off. Now say this is the layout. On this layout, there is what we call a video spotlight. So add a video to the top of your channel homepage. If I add any video to this place now, whatever comes to my channel, whosoever visit my channel will see the video first. And this featured video is for returning subscribers. If you had subscribed to my channel and you're coming for the second time, this place is the video I'm going to place here is what you will see. So let me quickly add one here so that we can see how really it works. So it's telling me, do I want to search for the video, or so it's telling me if I want us to search, for the video. Let me turn my phone again and let's see what I can get. Can I get more than this? Let me go back there again, search for the video. I say workouts. Do I have any video with such name? Okay, not for long. So this place will be very easier if you had posted a picture. So this is your layout, how your channel will be if anybody visit the channel. So in this place, the next one is called the branding. Okay, in this branding you can put a profile picture. You can insert a profile picture on your YouTube channel, and you can put what we call a banner. So I will show you a typical example of what these banners looks like on your channel. And in this place is a video watermark. Sometimes you see a YouTube symbol displaying here, or you see some thumbnail asking you to subscribe. That is what we refer as watermark. So let's quickly do this, and let's insert a picture. Let's just get one picture here to insert. The picture you inserting must be on PNG, and sometimes it accepts JPEG. So let's quickly look at what we can add. Okay, let me add this. I think I like this picture. Okay, let me add this. Yeah, showing me how it's going to crop it. Okay, done. Yeah, you see I have put on a picture. Let's see, if you want to add a banner or a channel art, so we call this a channel art. You can just upload it here if you have any design one. But if you do not have any design one, I will show you a channel, a website that you can create a free channel art, which is canva.com, So if you have done all this, what you need to do next is just say publish. Okay, we have published this right now. Okay, let's view our channel and see the list that we have done. Let's view our channel. Sorry, my network is a bit active. So view our channel and see what we have done. You see this now, EZ Gym. You see, no subscriber. This is the picture I just added, and you see the picture is showing there. For now, I have not shared any videos, so it's asking me to create a video, share it with anyone or everyone. Public videos will show up here. You see, I have not added any video nor created any playlist. You see, if you have any video, it displays here, and your playlist will display here. Do you want to create any playlist? Okay, so we quickly we go back again. So where I was, we'll go back to my channel customization. Yeah, this is where I was. So if you want to upload a channel, this is where you do it, channel art. And if you want to upload a watermark, this is where you do it also. So we'll now go to basic information. On this basic information, this is where you tell people what your channel all about. I can now say is where you tell your viewers what your channel is all about. So let me turn my phone to the other view and see, maybe I could view something completely. I can now say, hey my esteemed viewers, welcome to my amazing channel. Welcome to my amazing channel. Hey my esteemed viewers, welcome to my amazing channel. Okay, my name is AZ, and my beautiful channel is all about home workouts. It's all about home workouts. It's all about home workouts. Exercise on how to lose fat belly, and how to get a slim body in just 3 months. Yeah, can just do this. So I think I can return my phone so I can view things completely. So you can see this. Okay, in this place I can add languages, and this place is my channel URL. Can copy it and share with people for people to view my channel. A link, and in this place you can add a link. You can add a link to your channel. In this place you can add a link to your channel, and in this place you can add your email. Let's say okay, in this place you can add your email. Whatever email you have, you can add it here. Maybe I can just add an email here. Okay, you can add the email here, or yeah, you can add email here. And in this links site you can add your links here. If you have any social media account, Facebook page, Instagram page, and whatever, you can add it here, your website, and many more. You can just keep adding, and it will add it all. So in this place you choose a language, and hey, original language. So in this place you can choose a language. You can just say English, let's say English United States. Let me search for English United States. Okay, let me search for English United States, or let me just search for English United States. Finish Philippines, English India. We just take English. So translations language, anyone. Okay, so I just say click done. Let's check this. So having made all your changes, the next thing you need to do is just click publish. No. No, 10:9. So, I'm coming. So, I'm quickly check on this, and whatever you do, always remember to publish. If not, your settings will fail. So, as you can see, this is my basic informations, and this is my branding as I told you earlier, and this is the layouts, how the channel will look like. So with this, I hope you find something in this. I will be a kind of stopping here today for the sake of this tutorial. I don't want it to be too long, so please, if you find this helpful, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I drop any video concerning anything at all, it will get to you immediately. Well, thank you so much. Thank you for watching. In my next video, I'll be discussing how to customize your channel, how to add the channel art and what have you. So please stay with me and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I am highly grateful for your time. All right, bye. Thank you.